Welcome to Math Challenge 670. In Math Challenge 670, we have got a right triangle, altitude 20, base not known, and from the midpoint of the hypotenuse, we are connecting the opposite vertex of the triangle. The vertex containing the right angle is connected to the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is divided into two equal segments and this length is 26. This length 26 is the median, not the altitude. It's not perpendicular, but it bisects the opposite side. So it is a median. 26 is the median, not the altitude. Now we have to find the area of the triangle. Time is 1 minute. If you find it a bit tough, just one simple trick and it will become a child's play. It will become very easy and obvious once you have this simple trick. You have to find the area of the triangle where the median is given, not the altitude. Median is given. One simple trick and it becomes very easy to find the area of the triangle. Time is 1 minute. Math Challenge 670. So the trick which we were talking about is to circumscribe a circle. Draw a circumcircle. So what happens? Angle C is a right angle, and since angle in a semicircle is a right angle, the opposite side AB must be the diameter. Angle C is a right angle. An angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so the line AB must be the diameter of this circumcircle. And if AB is the diameter, then the midpoint O must be the center. What we are using? The rule, angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So if C is a right angle, the opposite side AB must be the diameter. And if AB is the diameter, then the midpoint O will be the center. Middle of the diameter, midpoint of the diameter is the center. So O is the circumcenter. So O is the circumcenter of the triangle, or O is the center of this circumcircle. O is the center of the circumscribed circle. So O is the center. So OA is equal to OB equal to OC. OA radius, OB radius, OC radius. O is the center. So radius OA is equal to radius OB equal to radius OC. That means OA is equal to 26, OB is equal to 26. So the total hypotenuse will be 26 into 2 or 52. OA radius is equal to OB radius is equal to OC radius. So radius OC is 26. So radius OA will be 26. Radius OB will be 26. So the diameter AB will be 2 into 26, 52. So this hypotenuse AB is 52. Now the remaining part is easy. Altitude 20, hypotenuse 52. So using Pythagoras rule, AC square will be equal to 52 square minus 20 square. This you can use calculator, but we would recommend not using the calculator. Use A square minus B square formula. So 52 square minus 20 square is 52 plus 20 into 52 minus 20. That is 72 into 32. So 72 will be 9 into 8 and 32 will be 8 into 4. So 9 into 8 into 8 into 4. So AC will be, when you take the square root of 9 will be 3. 8 into 8, square root 8. And for 4, the square root is 2. So 3 into 8 into 2, that is 48. That's the base. AC is 48. So area will be half into base into altitude. That is half into 48 into 20. Half into base 48 into altitude 20. That is half into 20 will be 10. 10 into 48, 480. So 480 square units is the area of the triangle. So the trick was drawing the circumcircle. In fact, drawing the incircle or circumcircle could be the trick for many such questions. So drawing a circumcircle, or in some cases incircle, could be actually solving your tough math problems, just as having a hot cup of strong coffee solves your life problems. So whenever you have a tricky question, consider drawing a circumcircle or an incircle. It might work in many cases, not in all cases, but in some of the cases it could work. But that's a trick worth remembering. So the area of the triangle, 480 square units. That was Math Challenge. Follow us for all school level math, junior and senior Olympiad math, university admission test, quantitative aptitude and numerical aptitude, and all competitive exam. And remember, all our services are entirely free of charge for students all over the world, so students from anywhere in the globe can contact us with their question and their problem. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and be with us. We will meet again with more useful videos, more interesting questions. Till then, thank you and goodbye.